everyone, welcome to the channel. And for today's video guys, we're talking about this product, Safi. Okay, so this Safi is with aloe vera and extract, Habbatus Sauda. I don't understand. This product is not a sponsored, of course, and it's really hard to understand Malay. For some reason, Malaysia product, they describe their product and they the Malay word with the Malay word, not the English one. So it's very hard to understand what they trying to. I'm not a Malaysian, okay? So, like for example, they say it is a facial cream, and then Safi Krim okay, Safi Krim Kecantikan kulit lembut. So I don't have any idea what does it mean. So I tried to Google the English. So this is, they say it is facial beauty cream. It is a natural facial moisturizer with aloe vera extract. So I'm assuming this is for face, of course. And then yeah, I for some reason this reviews, I show you, I've been using it a lot, quite a lot. So I will show you the consistency of this product. Consistency, we're talking about consistency. Okay, so it is like lotion. There is a scent. The scent is not really strong, but there is a scent. And that is the consistency. Okay, so this is facial cream, right? Okay, so I did try to put few times on my face this product. I did really put few times. Night for me it is okay. This product, it's okay for your face. Only one thing that I don't like, it's you feel hot when you put it. Like I have my skin type is very oily. Like I have oily face, like really oily, like really bad. So I decided not to put it on daytime, because it's very, I feel so hot. I did put one time, but I'm not comfortable, so I did not put it again. I decided to put nighttime just few times. Then I realized, because I put it like that on my face, and then I just dab it, and then the rest I put it on my hand like that. So I was thinking my hand was like really moisturized, like it feels so nice in my hand. And I will show you, I have a this is not a mark, this is, I burned myself when I cook something for my son. And this is like, I think a week ago or 2 weeks ago. So I've been putting it. It was really bad. This one was really bad before. So I this product, in my opinion, I don't really recommend this product for face, because it's, if you have oily skin, if you have oily face, because you don't feel comfortable, if who are using this one for face. So lucky if you like this product for your face. But I really really love this product for my hand. I make it like hand lotion. So I've been using it for, I think, a long time, because this one is full, and as you can see, I almost finished it. And I want to purchase again this product for my hand. I don't have a beautiful hand, but this product, this cream, facial cream, it's really helps to moisturize my hand. Like if you're a mom, you can understand, you do all things in the house, like all the things, and now cleaning and everything, and then your hand is like, you feel very, like your hand is dry and everything. So at night, before I go to sleep, I always put this in my hand, and it's really nice, and I'm loving it. And yeah, I can recommend this product for hand for hand lotion. So yeah, in my opinion, and it is my opinion and my experience, guys. So yeah, disclaimer for those who use this and they like it for their face. So yeah, that's the thing, and I'm just trying to share to you my experience about this product. And of course, another thing that I like about this product, it's I also put it on my armpit. Anyway, I don't want to show my armpit for now because I still have hair on there. I did not, you know, because 3 days ago I had my menstruation. So when I had my menstruation, I don't feel like doing things. And yeah, of course, my armpit, I just like, oh, every week I have to, every day of course I have to take care. And I don't I pluck it, and then a week, every week I pluck it. So this week I did not pluck it yet because I had my menstruation. So yeah, it's so nice. After I clean, I put some oil with the cotton on my armpit, and then I clean it up there after I shower or after I took a bath. And yeah, I put it on my armpit and in my hand. And this is the use of this product for me. I'm assuming this is really for face, guys, but I really like it for my hand and for my armpit. So there is a lot of Safi product that you can probably try out. I also had another Safi, but I don't I've been using it, but we'll give a review about perfect. Really, it's not perfect. So yeah, so I think I did talk about this product already. I shared to you already my experience about this product. I can recommend. Why I keep saying that? So I think I'm done talking about this product. So that's it for my video, everyone. I hope you enjoyed. And for those who always give thumbs up for watching my video, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. So yeah, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you on my next video. And that's it for today. Ciao.